Hey guys, Andrew here, today with Great Lakes Sprouts. We got a video for you guys. My buddy Kurt, he's been mentoring me with beekeeping, 18 years. Called me up on Friday evening. He said, hey man, you want to come out and help me catch this wild beehive? It's easy, it's on the ground. This arborist cut down the tree and didn't know there was a hive in it. The whole thing got destroyed. You guys will see it in the video. It's pretty crazy how we got this thing out. It was a lot more intense than we thought. If you guys are looking for some local honey in Cleveland too, I'll link it below. Kurt from the Honeyest One, he does local honey in this area. Really awesome guy, really good knowledge. You guys knows what he's doing too with apiary and beekeeping. But we'll show you guys this video coming right up. Come on, let's check this thing out. Beehive. This tree fell down. Let's see if we can catch it. Here we go.
You need to lighten up. You need to shoot some light on the. Bring the light right up here. Like hold the light. No, I mean physically. Put the light right above the. Here, hang on a minute. We have the light. Is it recording?
Yeah. Still recording.
I see all that. That's royal jelly. All that white stuff. Oh shit. Man. You got some light in there?
Bee's turning it off.
Yeah, probably. I told her we were coming back.
We said we'll be back tomorrow. It's a nice backyard.
Yeah. So, get your suit.
Okay.
We'll put our suits on. Then we'll start hacking into that log. And then just get them out, you know? Because I ain't waiting around till midnight again tonight.
Choke on safety. Ready? Alright, let's cut it. Ready? Ready?
We'll definitely be able to get in there and see them a lot better.
Look at all they pull out.
Do you want to lift that up and put it right here? Put that middle piece. Right here. You want to hold this and I'll lift it?
Okay.
Okay.
All the bees, all the bees are coming out of the left.
What am I hanging on to back here? Oh shit.
Branch.
It's okay. Let's see if we got a queen in there.
There's a bunch of them over here.
Oh jeez, look at that. It goes up into here. Oh man, this was a huge hive, man. We're gonna need a bigger boat.
What do you mean?
Did you ever see Jaws?
What about it?
Holy shit, look at that.
That's a big ass hive, dude.
Really nice.
Is this thing filming?
Yeah. Oh wow. This goes way back into there. Man, that dude really fucked that house up.
So we just took the chainsaw, cut it. We're looking for the queen. This hive is huge.
Yeah, explain to your people that we didn't do this.
Yeah, we didn't do this, guys. This tree fell down. We're trying to save them.
It wasn't fell down, it was cut down.
I feel really bad for the bees. We had an arborist call. Kurt here. Got Kurt here with the honeyest one. We're looking for the queen. We get the queen,
Oh, man,
put her in the
that
nuke
goes
box.
right in
The rest will follow, but we're going to try to transplant this hive into another box.
there. I bet you she's in there. You know?
Here's this real quick.
Is this still
She
running?
might be in here, yeah. I think she's in here.
You got your light?
No, I didn't bring it.
Because I don't think we're going to be able to see down into here.
Keep cutting down in sections. Looks like they're going all the way down.
Yeah.
She might be here. This
Oh,
log.
she's in here. She's got to be in here. Here, hold that up so I can get some light in there from underneath. You looking in it?
Yeah,
Can you see the camera?
I can see the camera. Hello.
That'll be a good shot.
So this thing was a lot longer than I thought. We chainsawed it. We think we got the queen in the nuke box. You can see all these ones are conglomerating on top. It's a good sign. We didn't physically find her to capture in here, but this is a good sign.
You see any bees flying over the... We'll try to...
So there's the new queen that was introduced. We ate her out of the box and she has been accepted. So hopefully she starts laying soon.
There's really no food in here. See her now?
So here we have it, guys. Bees are home. They have a safe box. We put them under this awning. Only problem is it's at the end of the year here, it's going to be hard for them to gather enough resources. So we ended up giving them some honey to get through the winter time. We also couldn't find the queen. We ended up purchasing a queen and putting her in there the next day. So hopefully they accept her. We'll check in a couple days, but at least we'll give them a chance here. It's worth a shot. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. We'll keep you updated on the Beehive and how it's going in the next few weeks.